Family vacation, Terrace BC, August 2013.
Say hi!
Hi! Hi guys! Hey Bucky!
Come on!
Whoa! Do you hear that? Oh!
Is it a train?
It's loud. It sounds like whales singing.
Where?
What is that?
Oh, he's scared. It sounds like it's coming from over there.
Woo! Mexican was a bad choice. Oh. 10 pounds later. Woo! Pardon me. You read this week's paper?
On August 29th, 2013, at approximately 7:30 a.m., a very loud and strange, mysterious sound resonated throughout the small northern town of Terrace, British Columbia. Now, as you can see, there is strong evidence tracing the source of this sound back to some bad Mexican food. However, if you have other theories on what you think caused this strange and mysterious sound, please share them with us in the comments bar below. I'm Captain Quinn, reporting to you live days after this event and within very close proximity. So please subscribe to this channel for more great content and share with us your thoughts.